All right, good morning. So it's a sunny day here in the Pacific Northwest, so I took advantage of the sun and painted my two 1999 Kawasaki KX250 exhaust pipes. I picked up two of them with the bike. Also, I'm rattle can painting the spring because they were going to charge me like 200 bucks to powder coat it, so decided to rattle can it. Here's some hardware and stuff I'm just painting, making it all freshened up. I did repair these pipes. I bought the repair kit that pops the dents out, and the little ones, there's some little ones that are still there. I couldn't get them out. I was getting pretty worried. The pipes were glowing, right? But it did, it popped them out. I mean, this whole area was all smashed in, and it brought it back really nice. I'm very impressed. Same thing right here. There was a big gouge right there, a big dent right there. This one turned out really good. Most of the damage on this one was right over in here and right on this seam. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, I pumped it up, I think 50-60 psi, and went ahead and did it. Wow, that looked good. And then trying to save some of the hardware. I don't know if you guys have priced hardware lately, but it's a fortune. And of course,